Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to make natural bleach at home. Without wasting time, let's start the video. Take a potato and peel it off. After that, cut into pieces, then blend well. Squeeze the juice. Now add half slice of lemon juice into the potato juice. Now add 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Mix well. Mixture should be like this. Now apply first layer all over your face. After 5 minutes, apply second layer. Wait for another 5 minutes, again apply third layer. Potato is one vegetable that is not just the perfect even snack or the best side dish for a burger, it is also an amazing ingredient for a face pack. It is packed with vitamin C, B1, B3 and B6 and various minerals like magnesium, potassium, phosphorus and antioxidants. It can help to get clear glowing skin if you apply it regularly. Potato when applied on the face removes ugly marks and blemishes. It also removes inflammation and reduces puffy eyes. It also delays signs of aging. When your skin exposed to the sun, potato which has antioxidants protects the skin from the rays and pollution. Potato juice has lightening natural bleaching properties which can work wonders for your skin. Gram flour, potato juice and lime juice are excellent combination for bleach your face naturally. After few minutes, gently rub your face 2 minutes. Then wash it off with normal water. Do this twice a week for best result. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.